It's a quiet afternoon with the sun shining bright on my face and the wind blowing my hair. But as I stand out here in the field, something begins to stir. Something tickles deep